Man distracted by front door noise while intruder sneaks inside his home. In this shocking footage, a homeowner hears a noise outside his front door late at night and opens it to investigate. Little does he know, the real danger is happening behind him. A man sneaks through his bedroom window and starts rummaging through his belongings while the homeowner remains oblivious. A chilling reminder to always stay vigilant. Want to see these clips first? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for early access before they hit TikTok.